Good evening. Has anyone ever went through problems or struggles in their life? If so, raise your hand. Today, I'm going to inform you that no one is perfect and we all endure struggles in our life. We all go through things. But in this society, we have career fields that are aimed to assist you with problems when they occur. Today, I'm going to talk about one specific career field, and that's called marriage and family therapy. My name is Willis Artis, and I'm pursuing a psychology degree, and I've currently worked in the field of counseling for over 10 years, and I've seen firsthand how marriage and family therapy assists people. Today, with 50% of marriages ending in divorce, marriage and family therapists are sought out to assist individuals when problems arise in their marriage. Today, I'm going to instruct you on who marriage and family therapists are, what are the educational requirements to become a marriage and family therapist, and how marriage and family therapy promotes what God values as far as marriage and family. Now, who are marriage and family therapists? Marriage and family therapists are, or MFTs, are a group of professionals who diagnose and treat mental disorders and emotional disorders. Marriage and family therapists treat individuals, couples, and families with mental disorders. According to the American Association of Marriage and Family Therapy, 6.1 million people are seen annually. Marriage and family therapists works in settings such as residential treatment facilities, local and state facilities, private practice settings, faith-based settings, and schools. Now, what are the requirements to become a marriage and family therapist? First of all, you have all sorts of programs throughout the country at colleges that assist an individual to become a marriage and family therapist. You have local institutions that have programs such as Old Dominion University, Regent University, William and Mary, all aimed to assist an individual with obtaining a master's or doctoral degree in order to do therapy. According to the American Association of Marriage and Family Therapists, each individual must have training at master's or doctorate level. Also, each person must have a 2-year clinical experience, and half of which is required with couples and relational therapy. Once you have attained your doctoral degree, you must, and you did your 2 years of clinical experience, you have to take a state license exam, which differentiate between state to state. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, over 37,000 marriage and family therapists are employed across the country. So, why are marriage and family therapists sought out? Number one, marriage and family therapists are sought out to help promote God's value pertaining to marriage and family. Marriage and family therapists, they also use brief solution-focused therapy that focus on the power of relationships and to facilitate change and healing. They also assist family with healthy communication skills and allow them with strategies that help them work through problems. Basically, a marriage and family therapist wants each individual family to become a strong family unit. Marriage and family therapist helps rebuild trust and betrayal, according to Dr. Gottman in his book called The Science of Trust. After therapy, 93% of people say that they were helped dealing more effectively with their problems. Marriage and family therapists promote good values and as Scripture clearly states. According to Alvin, God values marriage and family. And marriage and family therapy work in therapy to unify couples and families. According to Scripture, Hebrew 13-4, God values marriage. And in that union, the bed is undefiled. Basically meaning that once you take on a wife, that wife is a part of you. You become one flesh, according to Scripture. Another scripture is Mark 10, chapter 6. Mark, the book of Mark, chapter 10, verse 6 through 9, which states, one flesh, and what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. In most marriage ceremonies, most pastors say that particular scripture. Marriage and family therapy use prayer, Christian values to instill hope. So today, I have shared with you who marriage family therapists are, what are the requirements that it takes to become a marriage and family therapist, and how marriage and family promotes the values that God values pertaining to marriage and family. First of all, I want to say thank you for allowing me to share this instruction with you. And if you know anyone that has problems going through their marriage or problems with family, help educate them on who marriage and family therapists are. Give them the opportunity to seek out those individuals that are aimed to help re-strengthen that family and promote what God values pertaining to marriage and family. Now, there's so many resources that we have out in the community to where you can find a marriage and family therapist. You have counseling organizations, you have the local phone book, and I also have some resources right here on this table that you could actually look and they could help you with finding a marriage and family therapist or giving you information. So please, on your way out, if you don't mind, you want to take one, you can take one of these pamphlets, and maybe it can help you when problems arise in your relationship. Thank you.